Hey Tech Explorers, want to use Qwen 2.5 for free? Yep, no cost, no hassle. I'll show you how in just few steps. Let's go. First, open your browser and search for Qwen 2.5. Once you find the official website, tap on the link to open it. By the way, have you tried Qwen before? Or is this your first time? Let me know in the comments below. Now, scroll down a little and tap on Qwen Chat. This will take you straight to the chat screen. Here's the best part. You don't need a subscription to start chatting. Just log in using your email or continue with Google and you are in. And that's it. You are now using Qwen 2.5 for free. Explore, chat and enjoy AI at no cost. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, subscribe and drop a comment. See you in the next video.